drunk.
Yeah,
It's been a while.
He's such an idiot.
It's been a while.
Has it?
Yeah.
Garrett's getting ready. That's Garrett. Yeah, you know. Doug's kid just fell off.
I'm the only dumbass that's gonna try pulling a half
I have it on video.
Are you pulling?
Yeah.
Hey, JJ's only 2-wheel drive.
Huh?
You can't get in 4-wheel.
I thought we jacked around in the yard with
Well, you got here in plenty of time, I guess.
Holy shit.
We had to put 3/4 of oil in mine on the way up here.
Alright, there you go.
Everybody's
Ready?
trying to drive their truck and tear them up.
Yeah. Well, I'm wanting to
Hey, they're going,
put a
they're
motor
going.
in. And
Yeah.
I could not find anybody with a dry spray
Travis and Garrett.
the last 2 days. I was
Come on.
going to put 200 shots of nitrous on it. It is with the third gear.
Didn't do something right, did he? That probably made Hunter's night. He's in there.
He probably is so excited right now.